Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. My name is Soumya and I'm your Psyche, a tarot card reader healer. So welcome to my channel at the rate of Mysterious Girl Soumya. So today's topic is all about what you need to hear. So आप क्या सुनना पसंद करेंगे? So definitely as usual I have here three piles in front of you as an option. So you need to choose any one of them. Okay, first pile is dark green nostalgia. Second is light grass green, new beginnings. Third is clarity, yellow color. So you need to choose any one of them. If you want to choose any two, you can choose any two piles. Okay, choose with your intuition, relax and choose. You can pause my video if you want to pause it. Hope you have chosen your pile any three of them. So let's see what is there with you. Those who have chosen dark green nostalgia pile 1, let's see what is in front of you. I'll keep these cards aside and I'll keep this card in front. So those who have chosen nostalgia card, let's see what is there for you. First of all, I can hear and I can sense that you are getting very nostalgic right now. You don't feel like doing anything. You think everything is finished right now. You just feel like crying right now and स्पेंडिंग टाइम अलोन. आप अलोन टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहने का मन कर रहा है, आपको रोने का मन कर रहा है किसी हद तक. आप बहुत ज़्यादा नॉस्टैल्जिक भी फील कर रहे हो एंड बहुत ज़्यादा आपको लगता है कि आपकी साइड में जो भी चीज़ है वो कभी भी ब्राइटर साइड में नहीं जा सकती. नंबर 17 आपसे बहुत रिलेटेड हो सकता है. 17 हो सकता है आप लोगों का, कुछ लोगों का बर्थडे हो या कुछ लोगों की यहाँ पे 17 या 18 ईयर्स एज के हो सकते हो. एंड कुछ लोगों का यहाँ पे 17 कुछ प्लैनेट से रिलेटेड है, कुछ स्टार्स से रिलेटेड है. I am so sorry for disturbance guys. My dog came so I needed to pause my video. So definitely you are feeling very much nostalgic right now. You don't want to do anything. You don't feel like doing anything. You think everything is just dark. You are getting more in the dark side. There could be some tricks in your life. So there can be lots of nostalgia in your life right now. You don't feel like doing anything. So let's see what more you need to hear right now. So let me take from romance angels. Let's see what your love life says about you. Definitely first card is release your ex. You need to release your ex right now. So you need to release your ex right now. If you are not releasing your past, I feel you are not trying to release your past. This time has come to clear your energy. So you need to release your ex right now, release your past so that new love can come to you. Right now most of you are manifesting, most of you are praying about your new love. आप लोग new love को manifest कर रहे हो, प्रे कर रहे हो. आपको रिलीज़ करना पड़ेगा अपने पास से. सो इट्स टाइम टू फ्री योर सेल्फ. सो मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर प्रेइंग राइट नाउ and you are trying to free yourself and try to release your ex. So there will be someone new coming in your life. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. So definitely this person will be very much passionate about you. They will give you lots of love which you never get from your past partner. So definitely, or you will be both you both will be passionate about each other. So let's see what is more there for you, what you need to hear. So there is a change. Can you see there is a yin yang in your card? So definitely right now you are trying to balance out. You are trying to figure out. You are in a nostalgia mode. Okay, so there will be a positive change coming around your way. You are going through a big spiritual journey. The person you will be meeting in coming days or coming months, they are going through same thing what you are going through. You both can be a twin flame. So what universe wants to say you, the answer you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. So you or this person could be full moon in Gemini. So definitely the answer you need are coming. आप जो भी सोच रहे हैं या कुछ भी सोच रहे हैं उसका आंसर बहुत जल्द आपको मिलने वाला है. So definitely stop being in nostalgia. You need to just release your ex, just free yourself, and just keep on manifesting, praying. You might meet a new partner whom you are seeking for. So let's check what your tarot says about you. And regarding your career, what I am sensing, you are very much confused right now. You don't know what to do. You are still figuring out. So this thing will be getting over. This thing is very much temporary right now. So there will be definitely a positive change ahead if you are thinking about your career right now. So let's see what your tarot need to say. So what pile one need to hear? Spirit angels, please guide me. Ace of Swords. Within a month, I feel there will be some answers coming up to you. You just need to release your past. Ace of Swords is saying you just need to release your past. Four of Wands. Okay, you are in a twin flame journey. You are looking for stability even I feel like you will be getting a stable job now, and you will be setting your own business, and you are trying to manifest a good partnership. You will be getting stability with your person. So you will be getting stability with your person. What pile one need to hear? Angels, please guide me. What pile one need to hear? So there will be a stable partnership coming your way. So this person is coming very faster towards to you, and you will be getting, once you free yourself, you will be getting more clarity, more stability. So I'm sensing this energy right now. Regarding your love life, you need to free yourself, release your ex, because you are just near your twin flame right now. This person wants stability with you. They are just scared to come up. So they will be meeting you very soon in next month, pile one. So this is what I am hearing, what you need to hear. Like, things will be coming your way very, very soon. You just need a positive change. You need a positive reaction. That's it. So yes, most of you will become a mother child. You will bring a fertility, and for others there will be a big change coming ahead. You can see number 333 a lot, 1111 a lot, pile 1. So this was my reading for pile 1. Hope it resonated with you. Let me know on comment box. So we'll move up with pile 2. Let's see what is going on with you, pile 2. Those who have chosen this new beginning card. So let's see what is coming up with you. So first of all, let me tell you, you will be having a new beginning ahead. If you are thinking there's no movement, there's nothing, there's no possibilities with you, but now you are going on a right track, number 19. Okay, you could be born on this date particularly, or you could be of 19 years, or someone you are dealing with, they could be of 19 years, or like this number indicate like you will be getting more on brighter side. You will be having a new beginning very, very slowly. Like, there is not always a darker side. There is a big change ahead. There is always a brighter side. So let's see what your romance angels will say. Let's see your love life, what you need to hear. So right now you are going on a separation, guys. I feel you already know this person, or you are being separated, or whenever you meet this person you will be getting on separation mode, or you can be on long distance relationship. So you need to forgive your past, or forgive yourself, or forgive this person whenever they meet you. So you are going on a separation. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. So definitely you need to forgive and learn whatever happened on past, it was not meant for you. So you need to keep your open mind and forgive this person, because this person has hurt you and you are separating with this person. You are getting still hurt. So you need to just forgive them so that they can come to you. If you want them to come towards to you, if they are from your past or present, they will come to you. So you need to keep an open mind. Maybe I feel like for most of you, those who have chosen pile 2, you are going through Like, there is some trick around, there is some gossip around, and your soulmate can be different from you. Okay, the person is coming to you, they can be your soulmate. Okay, guys, so your soulmate is very much different what you expect. Like ice and water, I can give an example. So you are like an ice, they are like water, or they are, you are like a fire and they are like a water or ice. Okay, general reading, guys, take what resonate. Okay, so whatever you need to handle, you are not acting a mature way, you are living in a big illusion right now. Okay, guys, so you don't need to live in illusions. You need to act very maturely, you don't need to act very childish, because this person can be matured. Okay, and you also need to act very maturely. Whatever situation comes, be it your love life, be it your career life, आपको बहुत maturely act करना पड़ेगा. You need to act very maturely. Now it's time to be mature. Okay, don't be like, okay, I am married, etc., etc., or this can't happen, this can't be like that. Don't deny, just accept the reality and handle whatever things are coming up to you. You have to handle like a mature person. So there is a new start coming, new moon. So for pile 2, I am sensing like there will be a new start coming your way. So universe is saying you don't have to be scared, you just need to act maturely. Stop being so childish, stop being so guilty, stop being so, I mean to say, you are holding on too much regarding your person, regarding your past. So don't hold on to them, don't hold on to your work even, because there is a new beginning and there is a new start too. Okay, guys, so this is your message from universe, what you needed to hear, what you are going through right now. These are the oracles, a universe message. Now let's jump to tarot pile 2. What is there for pile 2? Angel spirit, please guide me what they need to hear right now, what they are going through right now. Spirit angel, please guide me what pile 2 are going through right now, what they need to hear. What pile 2 need to hear? Please guide me with one card. Okay, Ace of Cups. I told you this can be a soulmate person and there will be a new beginning for sure. Whatever you are having, you are going through, you just need to burst it out. You just need to like release. Just keep your open mind, whatever is coming to you, whether it's in love or your career. Definitely there will be a new beginning. This will be your soulmate, they will love you very much equally. So what is there for pile 2, what they need to hear? And I am sensing you people are right now being acting too much emotional right now. 5 of swords. See, I told you, you are being so much conflicted inside and you are acting very much immature, you are too much holding on to your back. So don't do that, don't look at your back, always look in front, because there is a new beginning for you. So let's see what you need to hear. Pile 3, what is coming up to you next? 6 of Cups. So I feel like this is a past life connection for most of others. This can be person from past to or present. You might have separated from each other, you are going through a block or something. So this person wants to offer you a cup again, so give them a chance, forgive them if they come back, and this person will offer you their love again. 6 of Cups. And regarding your career, I am sensing you are going through lots of conflicts right now. There are many much gossips around you, and regarding your professional life, even some of the persons are just like leaving you all alone. But you are not alone, because there is a new partnership coming around your way and you will be getting more offers regarding your business, social media, business, or anything whatever you are thinking. There will be some new offer coming up your way and you will be very much shocked how it happened. I can't even imagine. Sorry, this my spirit guides are giving me some hints for you, a message for you. So definitely, you will be definitely on a shocked way. So High Priestess, you need to work with your intuition, because Right now you are just fighting with yourself, fighting with other people. So there is too much gossip around. You're daydreaming a lot, and there will be some travel too. Your person will travel to you, they will meet you, and they will say something which will definitely shock you. And for others, this person will say you a sorry. So you need to forgive and learn and move on. Okay, because you need to keep your open mind. This could be even a new person. Right now you both are not talking to each other, and even if you're talking, you are talking very less. So this person will definitely offer you a cup. So you might be got married at your past life relation or past lifetime, but right now the universe is sending you again this person so that they can teach you a patience. So most of you are in separation because this person is teaching you how to be patient, and there will be a new beginning. So there is everything positive, guys. Okay, you don't need to hesitate, you don't need to be anxious, or you don't need to feel guilty or bad whatever people are saying. Even if you are going to psychic, a tarot card reader, they will be explaining you something for good. If you can't hear, it's your bad. So, and this is a general reading, so please take what resonate with you. And if it's resonating with you, that means you are manifesting my energy or my tarot energy. Okay, guys, so this is a general reading for you. Now let's jump up to pile 3. Let's see what pile 3 have for you. So there is for pile 3 is clarity number 12. So definitely you will be getting lots of clarity right now, or you are going through some clarity right now. You are having some transformation. Pile 3. You might be wearing lots of yellow color today or tomorrow, or maybe a lot, many times. Okay, or number 12 can be your planet number, and you are going through some major changes right now in 12 months. Okay, so you will be getting some clarity within a month or within a 12 days. So let's see what you need to hear in love first, and then we'll move on to your target. So let's see who's coming up to you. Pile 2, what is there for you? Pile 3, sorry. So there is a past life relationship. So the person you are dealing with right now or coming up towards you, they could be a past life relationship, or this person can be someone from past. Okay, so I feel lots of heaviness. Okay, so yeah, I told, like, yeah, this person is from past. For others दिस पर्सन इज़ फ्रॉम पास्ट लाइफ, यानी कि आपके पुराने पिछले जन्म के साथी हो सकते हैं जिनसे आप अभी डील कर रहे हैं, या अगर आप नहीं मिले इनसे, सो डेफिनेटली ये आपके पास्ट लाइफ कनेक्शन हो सकते हैं। अगर आप डील कर रहे हैं इनसे अभी, अगर आप मैरिड है, सो डेफिनेटली यू नीड टू गिव चांस टू देम because they are your past life connection and you are meant to be together. So this is your soulmate. I told you, you are meant to be together. So your soulmate is coming your way. So you need to give your relationship a chance. If you think this is your soulmate, your past life partner, or your ex, so you need to give them a chance. Okay, so this is a message for you in love, what I am getting. You feel like, okay, I should give them a chance. But for others, you are dealing with your past life partner and they will be your soulmate only. You will be getting married soon to this person. So if you're living in illusion, stop being in illusion, live in reality, do your work in practicality, because you have to think beyond illusion. Look at the biggest picture. Okay, so think what you need to release, what is coming up towards to you beyond illusion. So you are living too much in illusion, you are too much living in thought process. So what do you need to release? Pile 3, think waxing moon. So there will be something in waxing moon. So universe is saying you what you need to release, because you are still living in illusion. So don't live in illusion. Wake up, so that you can grow yourself more beautifully, whether it's in professional way or your love life. You just need to wake up. Stop being on illusion. You have to look at bigger picture. Don't be on beyond. Don't be in illusion. So you have to go beyond illusion. So let's see what your tarot need to say. Pile 3. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 3? What they are going through right now. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 3? What they are going through right now. What's coming up towards them. What they need to hear. 7 of Wands. See, I told you. You are going through a lot. You need to release a lot. Okay, so you will be releasing now. It's time that you are releasing. You will be working very hard. You will be taking out all the negativity out from your mind, from your heart. 6 of Swords. So whatever you are thinking, you will be moving on with your partner, the soulmate person or your work. You are like just moving on with them, and whenever this person will come, they will ask you for chance, what I am hearing for pile 3. But now you will move on. It's time that you will move on, because you were living on illusion before, and till now you are living on illusion. But you are releasing your past, you are releasing your negativity now, and I am sensing and I am having a vision like you are moving very forward. You are moving on with this, with the clarity now, and you know what is right for you, who is right for you, because for most of you this person was very toxic. Their family was very narcissistic, and their mother can be very narcissistic, pile 3. And their people around, their friends can be too much narcissistic, toxic, show off. So let's see what is there for pile 3, what you need to hear. Okay, 6 of Wands, 6 of Swords, 6 of Wands, and 7 of Wands. So you can see number 7 a lot, and 666 a lot. Okay, so if you know numerology or maths, you can count 6 plus 6. So there can be lots of things happening around within a 6 days, within a 6 months, or 6 plus 6. You must be knowing I am not so much good at mathematics, guys. Okay, I'm frankly speaking not so much good in mathematics, nor am I a numerologist, nor an astrologer. I'm just a psychic, and I'm just a tarot card reader plus healer. So I'm just giving you a guide in a general reading. So again, I see there is a someone coming around your way right now. I don't know why I feel like taking another card for you, pile 3. Let's check out. My intuition, my spirit guides are saying you to take out more cards for you. Queen of Wands. Wow. So you are like beautiful goddess, beautiful angel, beautiful queen out here, and you love being around with animals, and animals also love being around you, especially cats, dogs. So, and whoever this person is coming towards to you, they love to see you as being their queen. And regarding your career, I am sensing you are moving so much forward. You will be traveling around, and yeah, there will be like a big changes ahead. You will be a queen of sensuality. You will be ruling their house too, and ruling them too. So this was my pile 3 reading. So I didn't take so many cards for pile 2 or 1. You can watch pile 2 or 1 if you think like, because this energy is like pile 2. So I feel you should watch even pile 2, because there is 2 of Wands. See, right now you're just waiting. Right now you're just waiting for blessings to come out. When will things will happen? You are just rushing. You don't need to rush. You don't need to wait. You just need to release whatever is coming, or negativity. So you need to just release. You will get clarity automatically. I feel like you have to just let go to let come. Okay, so you just need to release, let go. Once you let go, everything will come to you. So don't wait, don't see even your phone. So because this person will come up to you right now, maybe this person is waiting for your text. They are even not clear by their mind, might be having 2 options, or you might be having 2 options right now. But you will be moving on, and you will be getting clarity, and you will be on the energy of Queen of Wands. You will be ruling your own world very soon. You will be with this person very, very soon. you might be meeting this person outside or at your place, because this person is coming towards you. They will be getting lots of clarity in their mind and they are traveling around to you. So this was my pile 3 reading. Hope my reading resonated with you. Let me know on comment box, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell button of my channel. Thank you everybody. Love you all. Bye bye.